So guys, don't be afraid if you're having a problem with premature ejaculation. This may be the answer for you. It is called the Jamaican stone. It's an all-natural product from Jamaica. It is made with tree sap and herbs. It's been made in Jamaica since at least the 60s and that. What you do is you take a small piece and then you put it in the palm of your hand with a little bit of water, just to give you an example here. And then you just work it in your hand to a little bit of a paste. Put that milky paste on the head of your penis. Keep it on there for a few minutes. After that, make sure you wash it off and wash your hands off. After that, you should be good for, I'd say, up to between 4 and 6 hours of pleasure. So if you're having a problem with premature ejaculation, please consider Jamaican stone, available at wholesale Jamaican stone. Look for this label.